Ever wondered why some tomato plants grow into towering green giants with no fruits while others are loaded with juicy red tomatoes? The secret? Fertilizer. But hold on, before you grab that fertilizer bag and sprinkle it all over, let's talk about the right way to do it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a tomato growing pro. And hey, if you love juicy, homegrown tomatoes, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Before we even touch that fertilizer, we need to prepare the soil. Think of it like feeding a baby. You wouldn't just dump food on their face, right? Laughs. First, make sure the soil is loose and moist, not dry and cracked. And if your soil is too sandy or clay heavy, mix in compost to improve drainage and fertility. Now, on to the fertilizer. Alright, here's where most people mess up. Never dump fertilizer directly at the base of the plant. Why? Because it can burn the roots. Instead, apply it 2 to 3 inches away from the stem, mix it lightly into the soil, and water immediately. This helps nutrients reach the roots safely. For an extra growth boost, try foliar feeding, a fancy term for spraying diluted liquid fertilizer on the leaves. But do this in the early morning or late evening to avoid sunburn on your plants. Fertilizer alone won't work like magic. You need to water your plants right after applying it. This helps dissolve the nutrients and carry them down to the roots. And here's a pro tip: add a layer of mulch to lock in moisture and prevent nutrients from washing away. So, how often should you fertilize? Here's your game plan. Before transplanting, mix compost or balanced fertilizer into the soil. Every 2 to 3 weeks, use a nitrogen-rich fertilizer to boost leafy growth. When flowers appear, switch to phosphorus and potassium-rich fertilizer to encourage fruiting. Follow this schedule and you'll be harvesting big, juicy tomatoes in no time. And there you have it, the right way to fertilize tomatoes for the best harvest. Have any secret tomato growing hacks? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video. Happy growing!